This is the Irontrader and TGIF. Now, this week here, a lot of good trades here in the oil and natural gas and in the tech plays and in Tesla and a lot of really good trades out there this week here. So I hope everybody made some good money. All right, as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natty gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, market, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have the old Crude ski daily chart. Now remember, the rig count will be out today at 1 p.m. Now let's see what we have. Okay, yesterday, what do we have here? We had a high of $90.79. Today we had a high so far of $91.15. Okay, looking very, very good. So let's just look at the downside. So what we want to do here now is then we want to start looking to the top of this candle right here, okay? So you're looking at 89.64. You got 89.37. And then we want to look here at this key 8 SMA here, sitting at 88.48. Now, again, if that's lost, then we just follow these candles. But the candle you want to look at here is going to be this one right here. You're looking at 88.07 here. That is going to be your key support level here. And then we just follow these down, okay? So then you're basically looking at 87.22 here. You have 86.71. You have 86.15. And then look to the top of this candle right here. This is going to be key. This is 84.89. Now, again, right below that, we have the nice 21 SMA sitting at 84.06. So that is going to be your support levels. And obviously, if that's lost, then we come to your 50 SMA here, 81.14. And then we have your retest there sitting at 77.59. And below it, you got 76.59 on your 200 SMA here. Right now here, you're looking still very, very bullish here. But again, you know, you're getting what they say pretty top heavy. It's not saying, okay, now I'm going to start taking long positions here. This is where you scalp it, okay? So if you look at this RSI here, you're in very, very extreme overbought areas here. Your MACD here still looking very, very good here. But this is where you just want to take your daily scalps here. Let's just see how this all going to shake out here. But as long as you hold that key 8 SMA here, it's still looking very, very good. The key is you just don't want to have it like where it does like this and then has a big rollover and then you're fighting it all the way. So let's just look to the left of the chart here and see where we're going to go. Okay, I was always pointing out this key level right here. This is the 90-10. Okay, so now we're obviously above this here. So then we look to the next candle here. So this one here is you're looking at 91.35. Then we have up here, you have 92.17. You have 92.87. And then what you have is your nice retest up there at 93.74. So that is going to be your next level here if it keeps right on moving. But just remember here, you're at nosebleed area here. You had a big, big run up here. You really need a nice little pullback here. But again, don't fight the trend, but just take the scalps here and put the money in your pocket. You know, if it falls off here, what do you care? Your cash is in the pocket. All right, let's take a look here on a day, our weekly, and a monthly chart. Okay, your monthly chart here is still looking very, very good here. You're above all your key levels here. On a downside, basically, watch this key level right here. You're 21 at 86.99, roughly $87 here. That is going to be key support when this sells off here. On your weekly chart here, right below that is you have 85.92. That is your key 100 SMA here. And then you really want to watch here this 8 SMA here. Okay, so this is really, really nice here. But again, any kind of sell down here, that's what you want to watch it to make sure that holds that key 83, 87 level here. Obviously, if it's lost here, then you can come all the way down to your 50 SMA here. You're looking at 78.41 and then your 21, 76.83 here. So right now, this is still looking very bullish here. Your MACD looking very good here. You have room to run on your RSI here. Just be very, very careful at these levels here. Now, what I'm all targeting here is basically this level right here. Okay, so you're basically looking at that 93.74 level. That is going to be the target. So you take the price channel across. And then again, if you go up here, then we looked at this candle here. Then you're looking at 97.66 here. And you just keep following these levels right on up here. Like your next level there, you're looking at 101.88. So it can rise up very, very high here. You got plenty of room to run. The key is just watch this next level. Take a level at a time. That's the easiest way to trade versus say I would take a big, long, huge projection if you just go level at a time. So next level on the upside, 93.74. All right, let's take a look here at the old natty gas. Okay, natural gas here on your hourly and your 4-hour chart here. If you look at your 4-hour chart here, you're still holding very, very good support levels here. The key is going to be here, you need to close back above this 2.82 here. If you do, then your target is going to be this candle right here, which is basically your 2.865. That is going to be your key level here next on the upside. On the downside, you have a lot of really good support right here. Okay, so basically you're looking about that 2.65, 2.66 area. It needs to hold that. That's going to be key level here. And then you have a good chance for getting this to go higher. Now, if you look on an hourly chart here, your series of higher lows here is still very much intact. You really need to hold this 100 SMA. So far, you are holding it here. If it does come down, then we look at this candle here, right here. You're looking at that 2.656 area. So basically 2.65, 2.66 area. And then if that's lost, then we come down here to 2.63 here. But as long as you have that nice series of higher lows here, this has good potential to go higher. All right, let's take a look here on a daily and a weekly. Okay, your weekly chart here, there's just two key levels to watch. That's that 2.65 level. Right now, natty gas sitting real time, 2.695. So you're above that. And then watch your 21-day sitting at 2.543. So this is basically still this flat line here. Everything here, even like on your RSI here, MACD, everything looking very, very good here yet. There's no issue there. Now, when we look on here on your daily chart here, well, basically, just a quick review. That was your double bottom right there. Ran up here, and then you put in your double top, okay? And then you basically sold down here, rallied right up yesterday. Where to go? Pretty much right up into that same resistant level right here. So you just always look to the candles on the left-hand side here, okay? That's is your resistance level. It did not make it to that 2.865, but there's your zone right there of your key resistance. Now, today, you have another red candle. However, if you look at this, you say, oh, geez, this doesn't look too good. You got three red days here. But then again, see, look at this candle here. See this green candle here? And then you look at these. If these can still hold in this area here, that can be considered as a bull flag here. And then you could zoom right on off here. Again, if you lose these key SMAs here, basically 2.65, 2.66 area, and you lose this candle, the bottom of this candle here at 2.60, then that would negate that bull flag pattern, and then she would come and retest this 100 SMA here at 2.52. So always try to look for key levels, key patterns here. It's just like this gap and fill. So I've always pointed out the top of this gap was 2.70. See, so you rallied up to it and you couldn't get through that resistance. And then once you shot through, you filled this gap, okay? And that's always where the price wants to go. So now let's just take a look here and see if this will play out here, and then we can head towards that 2.86. And then right above that is you have this 2.95. That's your 200 SMA. If you get above that, then we can go to the retest. On this candle here is basically 3.018. All right, I'll have more for you on the crude and natural gas here after the pit close. And if you watched my video yesterday, I posted on seasonality charts, so that might help you here like in a longer term. All right, thanks for watching.